They say a man knows a land best by walking its paths, feeling the dust beneath his boots. But I reckon the sky, now that's where you find the heart of a place. And Wisconsin, well, it's a quilt of fields and rivers, a sight that clings to your memory like burr to wool. So Lolla, my old girl, my 13-year-old Vizsla, and I, we took to the air in our pacer, a bird of steel and canvas, to see what secrets this state held from above, one airfield at a time. Lolla, she's been my shadow for years. Since the day we brought that pacer home, she had a yearning for the sky, a dog's intuition for the open air. More than just a hound, she's kin, a confidant, a silent partner in this wandering.
Good girl.
Patton International Airport. Automated weather observation. 1506 Zulu. Wind 140 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 09er.
How you doing back there, girl?
Dew point.
Good girl.
02 Celsius. Altimeter 29er 82. Remarks. Density altitude 300.
Get the show on the road. Let's go. Recent traffic pacer 74 in the KL takeoff runway 14 will be departing to the northwest. Racing. This adventure is going to be sponsored by one of my favorite books, Travels with Charlie by Steinbeck. It's just a great story about a man and his dog just kind of traveling around the entire country. It's a really good book. It's an older book, so there's a lot of really heavy topics in it as well. But I've always loved it because I do love dogs and I love traveling with my dog, who is one of my best friends in life.
First stop, Baraboo, where the Dells claws at the tourist trade, a clamor of bright lights and trinkets. But step away, rise above, and you see the quiet grace of the countryside, a world apart. And look at that, Lolla.
What is that?
They've put your mug in forward in flight. A celebrity you are.
What is that? What is that? You superstar?
Dogs, they remind you of the simple things. The scent of cut grass, the wind's caress. In this hurried world, that's a lesson worth remembering.
Dells traffic pacer 74 in the KL takeoff runway 01 departing straight out. Dells.
Leaving Baraboo, we pointed the pacer towards Reedsburg, along the Baraboo Range. From the sky, those ancient hills, they breathe, they live. From the ground, you see a ridge, a stand of trees. But up here, you see the bones of the earth, the very shape of time. Reedsburg, a quiet haven, a place to draw a breath and savor the journey. And Lolla, she's there for every gust, every turn.
Hi, Pooch. Was that a good flight? Thanks for the invitation.
Then we headed towards Mauston, leaving the rolling hills for something wilder, something elemental. This ain't the Wisconsin of postcards. but a place where water paints the land. Driving, you catch glimpses of the Wisconsin River, but from the Pacer, it's a canvas, a living map etched in water and time. From the ground, a bend, a marsh. From the sky, a grand design, oxbow lakes, vast marshlands, a place where nature still holds court. The river, not just a line on a map, but a force, carving beauty where none expected. And Lolla, nose to the window, she felt it, understood it, in her dog's way. All this water, all this green, a reminder that Wisconsin holds secrets, hidden pockets of wilderness, a testament to nature's enduring power, best seen from the sky. Leaving Mauston, we flew towards Bloyer Field. The landscape shifting like a dream, from water to farms in the blink of an eye. Bloyer, Yankee 72, a place where history whispers, a wartime training ground, and before that, the ancient mounds of those who walked this land long before steel birds took flight. A place where old and new meet in the quiet of the fields. Then it was on to Volk Field, a stark contrast, a place of modern might, a reminder of the diverse roles the sky plays.
Volk Tower, Pacer 74 with the KL VFR request.
Pacer 74, Volk Tower, altimeter 2963, request.
74 with the kilo, is there any chance we can do a low pass over the runway?
Pacer 74, that's the first requested, report 3 mile final. Yeah.
We'll report 3 mile final low pass over the runway for 74 with the kilo, thanks.
Flying over, you feel the weight of freedom, the sacrifices made by those who serve. From the Pacer's cockpit, only gratitude and respect. A privilege to share the sky with such heroes. This journey, it was more than just a flight. It was a glimpse into the heart of Wisconsin, a testament to the beauty of the land and the unwavering loyalty of a good dog. Lolla, my shadow, my companion, a reminder that the best adventures are shared. And they say a dog's a man's best friend. I say they're family, and family makes every mile, every flight, worthwhile. Making memories. Adventures don't always have to be too far away places. Sometimes the best ones are right in your own backyard and with your best friend.